Okay, we are in here somewhere here. Okay, let me come out of this global. 20 program, not everything. So 16, na? 16th one. That's I'm asking you numbers, right? Because again behind the programs. Okay. Now before the function, if I declare any variable, it is called as what? Global. So if it is global means what? Outside the function, anyone can access. Anyone can access. That is what? Global. Okay. What is local? Inside the function, or you can say inside the block. Okay. Normally you can say inside the function. It is what? Local variable. Can we use it outside the function? No, it can't be used. But if I want to use, I can use. Then again, some methods are there. Okay. So first I'll go with here. Now c equal to 200 is dot global. Calling the function name. Suppose I don't have this one. Okay, nothing I'm having there. C equal to what now? 20. Print C. Again print C outside also. Then function calling. What is the first thing happens now? It goes to 17th line or 18th line? 17th line. 17th line will print what? 200. Next, what happens now? It goes to what line now? 18th line. It will go inside the function. Where what is the value of C there? 20. So print C, 16th line. What will come? 200 or 20? Yeah? Okay, 20. So now run the code once. This part is clear? Okay. Now inside the function, not there. Inside the function, local variable is what? Not there. Now what happens here? It will take that C value from where? From the global. So first what happens again? 17th line. Print C value how much? 200. It goes inside the function call. What happens here? Again, what will take C value? 200. Okay. Now, next part. See there, and suppose here now, I want to use the local variable as what? Global. So first we have to declare global C. And now suppose think that the 13th line is what? Not there. 13th line is what? Not there. From here you have to understand the concept. Okay. And if you don't also find, at least basic also is okay. Why? Because especially using the case of hacking there. So who gets called in the 18th line first of all? Print C value. What will come there? 20. Now again, if I call function there, what is C value there again now? 20. So where at what line number there? 18th. Why? Something wrong? Check once. Before function, if you call, it will not work. Why? Because there is no in the global, there is no C value. If I want to take inside, suppose in example, I kept your notebook in this room. Door is locked. Can you come and take a notebook, sir? No. Once the door is unlocked, then you can take your pen, paper, whatever book is there, you can take. But if the door is locked and your bag is inside, can you take a? No. Same thing here. If you want to the C value to get printed, first you need to call. First you need to what? Call. After calling, then you can use as globally. But first only you're printing C value, then it will not come. Will not work. Okay. Why? Because print C. From who will take outside, but outside there are not there. But I can use local as what? Global. But first I need to call. First I need to what? Call. After calling can do. But before calling, you can't do anything there. Okay. Make this copy first of all. And write the error also there. And this will be confusing part. Okay. So you have to try it nicely. Four days time you're getting. I don't know what you're doing 4 days. I don't want. I'll also say, but sometimes this festival, na, we can't think what will happen, what time. This work, that work, khatam. No, not Omricon. Work will be there na. This work, that work, khatam. That's why I don't like homes. Cleaning will be there, that will be there. It is enough. Anti-crime, cleans, khatam. Over. What more you want as a software engineer? One laptop, one PC, 3 lakh CPU there. More what you want? Mobile there will be mobile. Without mobile, you can't be. It can't take birth only. That will be there by default in every home. Okay, you tell me as a software engineer. Suppose you are a software engineer. What do you expect? Once I'll bring someone and then I'll understand you. Then you get the point. Okay, come to the point here. Somewhere we are going concept. Okay. Pora. So when can you use this local as global? After calling only. Before calling, can we use local as global? No. Make a point there first of all. If there is no global variable, write properly what I'm saying. If there is no global variable, if there is no global variable, and if you want to use, and if you want to use, and if you want to use local variable as global, and if you want to use local variable as global, then first we need to call the function. Then first we need to call the function. Then we can use then we can use local variable as global. Then we can use local variable as a global. Take 1 minute of time and read once. Read. Say. So what is the pointer? If you want to use local as global, first thing we need to call the local variable. First we need to call the function. After calling the function only, we can use local variable as what? Global. Until then can use no. So your print still work there? No. But if I comment out this one now. So tell the answer now. What is the answer now? First print C will take from where? Here or here? Outside. What will come? Then here print C value, function called print C value. How much? Okay. Now here it is not there. Global is not there. Will it work there now? No, it won't work. Because I'm first calling print C. How it will work without calling the function? It won't work. So now I'm first calling the function. First calling the function. What is output of this one first of all? 20. Yes or no? Okay. Again, if I'm calling inside, again outside now, print C. How much value again now? 20. If I have this also now, okay, first you copy this one, then we can modify. One program only, they'll give you an ask like something. And from tomorrow you start. Already there, but you have to start, okay? At least half an hour per day. Okay, morning 20 minutes, evening 20 minutes. I know not possible, but still try. Here I have confidence on few people. Again, few means I can't say names. Some will feel again. But 90% I have confidence on 3 p.m. students. 12 p.m. also. Both are same matches only. Done. Now think once and answer, ma, please. Okay. First calling the function. Print C value. How much? 20. Now the C value will take from this from 200 or here from global. So see what output there. Okay. Make a point this one. So once you call the function, it will be given the highest priority. But before the function call, if you want to use local as global, it won't work. That's a simple point about the Python in the what local and global scope. Again, you're having this program in the 20th program. Yeah, up to 16th you can take leave, okay? 16th are you coming or Sunday? Again, you'll be having class on Monday, okay? Class not over, okay? Just in the middle, I told you. Over a topic? Why? Because suddenly the people who are getting sleep now, they'll wake up. Sir told something. Okay. 17th meeting we done. 18th. Okay. 19th one, focus here no. Very, very important. Okay. Very, very important. So once read the question once, please. Write a Python program or any program to create separate functions. To create what? Separate functions for each with a local variable. For each with what? Local variable. Name and each local variable should represent the respective name from each place. So now we will have what? Multiple functions. Multiple functions. From this multiple functions, whom I want to call, that I'll call now. So spend some time here now. How many functions I have? First of all, 3. What is the first function name? SC. Next after SC, who is the function called? CN. Then CN in last what? WK. Here SC means nothing but what? School name. CN means what? College name. WK means what? Workplace. Okay, you can take work time or whatever it is. Now, SC is calling whom? WK. Then CN is calling whom? SC. That's it. So who is calling on one functional call? I'll call. They have to call others. If I call suppose Naveen, all should get called. If I call suppose Abhinay, all should get called. If I call Chandan, all should get called. Okay, once in a group, I keep the message for all you should send there. So one layer. So SC calling whom? WK. Then CN. First of all, I'm calling whom? First of all, check once line by line now. First, whom I'm calling? CN. College is calling whom? SC. SC is calling whom? Work. So first college name will come, then school name will come, then what? Workplace. Now you do like this. Again, I'll change my questions now. Okay, can you change my questions now? First, make a note of this one. Now, if I run the program, first what will come? First college name, then school name. First SD will come. Then what? HD. Then last HH. Okay, copy down. Then I'll change my question there. And those are not celebrating or having time, please start the code chef. Very Sankranti gift. Huh? Murkul bhajia, nothing. Bhajia won't eat. Papad, murkul. Don't know. Last time due to Corona, that empty did said. This time I don't know again. What festival that we have to eat? They won't eat, na? With non-veg. So eat. Eat. Saturday. 3 nights will play now. Snake and Adder. Snake and Adder. Not here. Whatever it is, there you'll play now. Any festival, okay, accepted here. Now can I ask now? Now first you call. Let me hide this one. Already have, okay, fine. First WK should get called. First work should get called. After work, school name, then college name. Just tell me the logic, pseudocode. First call whom? First call work. Then inside the def there function in the WK, whom you call? SC. In the SC, whom you call? CN. Khatam, that's the logic. So like this program they used to ask in the previous in the TCS, but nowadays from last 1 year, I don't know, they're not asking. I don't know how many people came across this question. Asking or not asking nowadays? Not asking. No increase, I think, level. So previously they used to ask these questions a lot. Okay, Capgemini still ask this question. Capgemini, Infosys, Wipro. But TCS will always change the question paper, question type, delay in the message, all these things. But good company. Okay. Next program. Scope of a variable, same program. You have to answer, okay? Properly think and answer. I'm in the multi-line comment, so come out of the multi-line comment. What is the answer of 7th line? That much time you need, I don't know. 15. X plus y, then 7 plus 8. How much? 15. That's it. Okay. Some programs will be very easy, okay? But take your time, not an issue. Next one. Take 10 paper. Take 2 minutes of time or 1 minute of time. Then you can respond, okay? At 12, wait a minute. At 8, you respond. Okay, ready? Yeah. Okay. Tell me. Print A. First who will get called? 2 or 4? 2. It will take from global. Then BM called. BM, what is the print A value? 4. Next, print B value. How much? 3. Next, print A value. 4, sir. 4, sir. Any one you answer, man. No. What majority? Concept over? No majority. What is it? It's not a game. It is okay. Actual interview questions, sir. Print A. Why 2? Why not 4? Because I did not declare as what? Global. So what will come there? 2. Okay, na? Focus there. Okay. Copy this one. These questions again will be having after 3 months of training. Okay. Somewhere will face these questions. That's why I get ready these 25 programs, 30 programs, all these things. Mm-hmm. Over. So in the suppose 13th line or in the 14th line, now if I keep global there. No, global suppose A. Now what is the answer now? Last one, print A answer. 2 or 4. So check once output there. Okay, because it is checking inside the function now. So now I think you have a clarity there now. Okay. Again, take some time. Somewhere wrong, not there. Line number what? 29 line is correct. 9. What is the mistake then? So first see here now. Okay, just stop here. Just see once here. So run the code. Working now. So you can pass C comma B or B comma C. It is same. Now understand, you know, print C value will take from whom? Outside. C equal to what come? 4. Function call now. So print what now? B value. B value will what is it now? 8. 8 came. Then print what C value? Will take from here or inside? Inside. What will come there? 9. Then print B. B value will take from here? From here now. 8. Then print C value. C value from again from here? Inside. So you pass B comma C or C comma B. Both are fine. Yes. Once again. Didn't get you. Wait 1 minute. Let me keep this in comment. Tell me now which line number? 26th. 26th. B. C value is what? B. Okay. Then B value. Then check once here. Printing first C. See how it will take. Take or not take? Think once. Name error. Okay, now. So let me keep back. So after function call only you can do all those things. Before function call you can't call the local variable. Now already you've done this one. What is the program name now? Count the length of the string without using built-in function. Not done previously. This will be there. You are counting without. So if you don't remember, also fine. What is the function name here now? Fn. Where I'm passing one argument. What's the argument name? St. So during call I have to also call. So c equal to what? By default count will start from where? 0. So I'm keeping c equal to 0. You can take s equal to 0 or whatever it is. Then if I say for I in st, if it is there, that word is there in that what st there, then increment by the count by how many times? One time. If not, they don't increment. Then return what? C value. So what I'm passing now? Python. How much is the length of Python? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I pass Python, how much? Or Python space? Now how much? 6. Even the space also gets what? Counted. Okay. Make a note of this one. Very, very important. So they'll ask you find the length of the string without using built-in function length, len, length. This also they ask sometimes. Done. And keep star marks. Okay, please. Okay. Now who gets called first of all? So what will come first? Max name will come. After Max, Peter. After Peter, John. Yes or no? Just not done this program. Okay. So we'll stop till here or where? Let me check once, depending upon the program question. So 21 function practice. Okay, this you can practice, I think so. Because this is a practice file, okay. You can tell me the answer fast. What is the sentence getting called? What will come there? Hello, we wrote a basic function program. That's it, no? Okay. Now, first of all, in the end, I declared the argument there. During call, I have to what? Declare there. If I don't declare, will not work. There is some error in line number what? 16 there. Here. At line number 16, there is some kind of a mistake. When argument declared, you have to pass an argument. Okay. So I'll keep 16th line in what? In the comment part. Now, what is the answer now? First of all, your name is Josh Innovations. Next, your name is Parrot. Your name is Alpha. Your name is Vicky. So one time we can write multiple times program. Just a recollection of what we done in the functions topic. Then either we can take in one line or you can take multiple times the input. Okay. So suppose we pass how many users now? 4 users. So clear. Suppose now we'll pass usernames like what? Suppose HH splitting by what space? HD, HB, HX. Okay, 4 over. Now who gets first printed? Does not matter. I'm calling the function. First what will come? Your name is HH. Your name is HD. Your name is HB. Your name is HX. Either you can take the input from the user or you can pass manually also. It is your choice. Then what about in this case now? What are we doing here now? We are taking from the input also and we are passing what? Manually also. So suppose if I run this code, we'll ask now suppose name there. Because I split what is space. So pass two names, suppose HH and one more what? HP. Now who gets first printed now? Who I'm calling first Python. What will come there? Your name is space Python. Next one again. Your name is still okay. Correct. Name one I wrote there. Your name is still HP. Next again n of name. Now what will come there? Nothing. Both same only here. Both same only. Yes or no? We are taking from the user also, and here a passport from here manually there. Where n I'm taking from what? From the user there. First I'm passing what? Name. Name one from what? From here HP. Okay. Now. So first of all, declared by default. Yes or no? By default argument declared. What will come output? Hello space Python. How are you? Next, hello space HD. How are you? Next, hello space Josh. How are you? Next, hello space RSEJ. How are you? Space how are you? Okay. Fine. Next. Now in this case, what I'm doing there, I am passing by default what age, because age will be different from every user. Age of what? Age will be different of every user. But remaining name same will be what? Maybe same. Or class name will be same. Maybe they're starting in the same batch, 2022 batch. Okay, or last year batch, whatever it is. But age of every person will be what? Different. So what I'm doing now, function name, by default name how much? XYZ. Age equal to what I passed? None. Then year equal to what? 2021. Now I'll make it as 2022. So age equal to I'm asking from the user. So after every execution, we'll ask the input of username. So what age? Print your name is what? XYZ. That's it. Because first one, XYZ, age is what? Depend upon what I'm passing. Then in the year, which year? 2022. So let me execute the first one to make you understand. I'm passing age what? 24. What will come? Your name is XYZ, comma, age is 24 in the year 2022. And now if you want, you can pass what? Name differently as you want, as you wish. Now what will happen? Your name is HD, age is whatever. Suppose here now, first I'll ask the input. First I'll keep 24. What will come? Your name is XYZ, age is 24 in the year 2022. Now HD will call. Now what will happen? Your name is HD. First ask the age. So it will pass now 26. What will come now? Your name is HD, age is 26 in the year 2022. For the clarity now? For remaining again, same thing possible. Okay. Next. If I keep star, what happens? Starting, I told you, we don't know how many we are passing there. So STR of 1 means what here? This 0, this 1. What is 1 means what? Advance. What will come in output? Hello space advance space how are you? If I call this 0, hello space Python space how are you? Okay. This is just a practice period. Okay. Then what about in this case now? First I'm calling num. Num what will print? Python. Then Python. Next again what? 4. Next what? Raj is printing what? Take enter. Then 5 plus 2 how much? 7. Okay now. So these are simple programs and the functions. Simple programs. So next class will continue from where? From 22nd program. Continuation part. Okay. Function to return. Understanding of what? Big questions will be there here. Okay. So just make a note there. We have stopped till what? 21 programs. File number is what? File name is what? Function programs. Okay. So I'll stop the class till here. Okay. And don't forget to start the CodeChef and HackerRank with other mail ID. One you keep nicely, one you keep for practice.